Motherfucker. Coming at your live, bitch. Coming at your live, bitch. Coming at your live, motherfucker. Coming at your live. Coming at your live, motherfucker. Like a naked 47. I'm a fucking rapper like a fucking Mac 11. Full of your soul like a fucking Hollywood fucking shooter. I don't care about fucking hurty motherfucking feelings. I don't give a fuck. Fucking life, fuck everything that you all about, motherfucker. I just wanna fucking freaky lady in my life tonight. I just wanna fucking hit the dance floor. You already know what time it is, bitch, baby. I'm fucking dropping it real fucking low through the fucking flow with my lady. Yeah, have my fucking homies be fucking watching on my back for any motherfucking hater that be trying to fucking fuck with me while I'm fucking dancing. You already know my homies gonna fucking put it down for the G, cuz best believe I'm a fucking all about my homies and I put it down. I love to fucking put a smile on my homie's face, on my lady's face. I'm fucking family orientated. You already know I get the fucking Krispy Kreme no matter where I fucking go. Drop it to the fucking flow like a fucking egg bomb. Bomb in Iwo Jima, Nagasaki, bitch, like a fucking egg bomb. In Iwo Jima, Nagasaki, bitch, best believe. Fucking famous gonna fucking keep on fucking spitting it. I will fucking really fucking feel it. Best believe that I got fucking sick and twisted fucking bros that I can fucking flow to any motherfucking time of day. You already know my fucking light bulb in my fucking head say fucking lit 24 motherfucking 7 like 7-Eleven. You already know it's like 7-Eleven in the fucking block when the fucking story over. You already know I'm fucking rapping and I'm fucking not giving a fuck, motherfucker. You already know, bitch. I'm like fucking dynamite, like fucking PCP. I fucking blow up in your face. Osama bin Laden in this motherfucker. You already know my fucking shit be coming hella fucking twisted, like fucking no Osama bin Laden. You already know that motherfucker sick and twisted. Yeah, best believe, bitch. I fucking get that fucking money. You already know, honey. You already know, honey. You already know, honey, keep on fucking spitting it. You fucking best. Spread the motherfucking word that fucking famous is here. Yeah, when the fuckers be watching me, when I'm fucking dancing and fucking dropping their draws. Cause I ain't a fucking jaw dropper and I ain't in the fucking sidelines. Best believe that I fucking know how to fucking put it down. Yeah, any fucking time and place, best believe the fucking bouncers ain't gonna fucking get us out. Cause they fucking love the way we fucking tipping the fucking, you know what I'm saying? We be tipping them motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Money and the thing, baby, drop it through the fucking flow like a motherfucking egg bomb. You already know, baby. Much love to all the homies out there in Maxfield, Oregon. It's that fucking Shady Valley, you know what I'm saying? 5 for 1 all up in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Little shady ass motherfucking town, ain't nothing good happening there. But best believe, I'm gonna blow this little town up when everybody knows that I'm famous and I'm coming from this little town, you know what I'm saying? Much love to the homie Loopy, you know what I mean? To that fucking clique I staying active on Columbus, you already know, I ain't gotta say it. You already know what time it is, baby. Yeah, you fucking best ask what time it is. If you don't know what time it is, motherfucker, you already know. I'm fucking rapping about anything, you know what I'm saying? Mainly fucking plug shit, I'm fucking not. I'm not like Pitbull and shit, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm not like that, you know? Fucking, yeah, I'm just fucking sick and fucking twisted, man. Fucking shit be coming hella fucking weird out of my studio, you know what I'm saying? Shit fucking be giving you the fucking goosebumps and the fucking chills when I'm fucking bouncing to my shit, homie. Gotta fucking steady bounce like a fucking Mac. Best believe, motherfucker, I'm a fucking Mac. Fucking pimp in my motherfucking ways, gangster, motherfucking gangster to it, motherfucking foolish. You already know, fucking chandeliers, shaking, fucking singing chandeliers in this motherfucking bitch. You already know, man, for 5 for 1, Shady motherfucking Valley all up in my fucking mind. Best believe that I fucking stay fucking hella fucking blown. You already know, scout it out every now and then, but best believe I keep it hella fucking classy, hella motherfucking dick. Best believe, motherfucker, you ain't never fucking facing me with the fucking shit that you be fucking hating, motherfucker. Cause I fucking famous and I fucking blew up from the fucking nothing, and I fucking came up from the motherfucking nothing. You already know, motherfucker, I fucking deserve everything I fucking got in my life, motherfucker. Fuck everything that you fucking hated on, motherfucker. Drink your motherfucking haterade, motherfucker. Drink your motherfucking haterade, all you fucking want, motherfucker. I can give a fuck about your motherfucking shit, bitch. Cause I just walked out with your lady. Out of all my 20 homies, when we took off, we took most of them motherfucking ladies cause they didn't know what they were doing with a lady, you know what I'm saying? We may be gangsters and pimps, but we know how to treat a lady, you know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't about to hang out with a motherfucker that don't know how to treat a lady. I'd rather have a motherfucker prove to me that he's a gangster and he's down by putting it down in the street, not treating this fucking lady like shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm not about that shit. Fuck that shit, that's what my father did to my mom, you know what I'm saying? Fuck that shit. I mean, but I hate fucking bitches like my baby mama drama that fucking be bringing drama to the men that don't deserve it, you know what I'm saying? Much props to all you men out there standing up being a father.